Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn together how do we install or self-host NHN. It's kind of like workflow automation in our server. So let's get started. Alright. First thing first, I want to say thank you to all of you who have supported me to this channel. And now you can also support me by click super thanks or you can just join membership on my YouTube channel. Alright, so in this video, we are going to learn how do we install workflow automation called NHN. If you haven't yet watched my previous video, in my previous video we have learned how do we install EasyPanel in my server. And EasyPanel offers many services, many databases, or we can also deploy our project in that EasyPanel. So in this video, we are going to learn how do we self-host NHN inside EasyPanel. Alright, so for those who don't know what NHN is, so here, NHN is kind of like shortly, it's kind of like workflow automation. As you can see here, it's kind of like an alternative for Make.com and then Zapier and so on and so on. So here we can see we can create automation such as here IT operation and then security operation, development operation, also sales. This tool should for many people such as marketing and then designer, YouTuber, content creator, also the developer itself. Let's see here. It's starting from trigger. It's called on chat message and it will automatically replied by AI agent. In this case, they use Mistral Cloud chat model and it will send back to user. And also here we can create starting from incoming webhook and it will go or bring to URL or anything. And here NHN offer more than 400 integration such as AI agent chat model and then various application. Here we can see there are a lot of app icon. We can also see here, see all integration. We can see HTTP request, webhook, Google Sheet, Telegram, MySQL, Slack, Postgres, Notion, and so on and so on. You can check it by yourself through link in the description below. So here, let's check on pricing. By default, we can use this NHN inside this website, which is nhn.com. I'm sorry, nhn.io here. So it's starting from starter package. It's around $20 per month, but we can start from free inside this nhn.io. I think it's we can have, I think, one active workflow if we are using free version. But in this video, we will using self-host NHN. So we can check it through the GitHub. So we can just find NHN GitHub. Here, the description here, Faircode workflow automation platform with AI capabilities, combine visual building with custom code, self-host, or cloud. So as I said previously, it's called cloud if we use nhn.io, but we can also self-host in our server. Here, the latest version is 1.83.2, and we can also check the license here, but by default we can use this and self-host in our server. Alright, so let's go to our easy panel. Here, this is my easy panel. And here, in previous video, I have created a project. It's called NHN. But when I click this, nothing here. My project is empty. So we can get started by creating some services here. Let's check. We can select service or templates. And here the project setting. It's kind of like environment. And then project schema. And we can also destroy our project. So let's starting from press this service. And we will see there are a lot of services and also templates that we can choose or pick as we want. So inside our project, we can have multiple service or multiple templates. So let's find NHN in this input box. So we will see NHN, and then we will see app service images. So we can make it same with this 1.83.2. Alright, and then just press create, and at end was created successfully. We can select or hit go to project button, and here we will see logs from NHN. So waiting service NHN to start. Here there are several buttons such as this kind of like deploy button, and then stop, restart the service or the app, log. When we press it, it will show us full screen logs, and also this console, and this open. It means it will open a URL when we press this, and then force rebuild and also destroy button. Here, finishing migration, blah blah blah. Editor is accessible via this URL. So NHN, if we self-host, by default, it should be secure. It means it should be HTTPS. So usually we get some error if we self-host NHN in our server, but our server haven't yet support like SSL, so it will source error. So here, let's select source. We can select upload GitHub Docker image. In this case, NHN using Docker image, and also this Git or Docker file. This deployment, we will see like a deployment trigger, and environment here. We just have one environment variable, which is webhook URL. The domain, we can edit here, maybe save, domain update, and let's restart or deploy again. And then redirect if we want to set up redirection, and then security resource, we can set it here, and also maintenance mode if we want to updating or maintenance the app, the storage here, and advanced here. We can set up all things inside project. Let's see. Let's open. So now the URL is this nhn blah 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 dot easypanel.host/setup. And let's see in this domain, yeah, it's working. It's primary. We can also add a custom domain. We can just press this, and we set up in our DNS. So yeah, we can just open my service, which is NHN, and when I check this, it shows the URL nhn.easypanel.host/setup. And by default, we have to set up owner account like email, first name, last name, and password. And then we will see like a welcome screen, like what best describe to our company, and we can just press get start. And also we can get paid feature for free forever, like this, workflow history, advanced debugging, and so on. So we can just press send me a free license here. Alright, so look like this. NHN dashboard. Nothing here because we don't have any workflow, any credential, any execution here because this is my very first or starter NHN. So we can just start from scratch or press this create workflow, or we can test a ready to go AI agent example here. Alright, look like this. And also we can pick a template here from the left side, and it will bring us to a new tab or a new window. We can select it, or we can find inspiration from nhn.io. So yeah, I think that's enough my video today. In this video, we have learned how do we self-host NHN workflow automation in our server. So you can just sign up or try it by yourself through link in the description below. And for your information, if you want to use screen recording like I use in this video, you can just check link in the description below to download screen recording that I use. So yeah, I think that's enough my video today. If you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment fields. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.